Hello and welcome. Today we are going to start a new series on Active Directory. We will start from basics and will slowly increase our level. Okay, so let's get started. So what is Active Directory? So Active Directory is nothing. It is just a database. Okay, you can say it is a database or centralized collection of your services, users, resources, groups. Are you getting me? So it is just a database, and everything in Active Directory, whether it is users, services, your groups, records, and everything in Active Directory is called as objects. So also it stores the data in hierarchical structure. Okay, the hierarchical structure helps in locating the data or managing the data and finding the resources in a better way. Okay, it helps in searching the resources we are looking for. Okay, so also we can say that Active Directory is used to manage devices on network. And for your information, Active Directory is included in Windows Server starting from Windows Server 2008. Okay, so Active Directory provides different services, and these services comes under Active Directory Domain Service. We also, in short, we also call it as ADDS. Okay, in Active Directory Domain Services, there are different services like Domain Service, Certificate Service, Directory Federation Service, Lightweight Directory Service, Rights Management. Okay, in this video we will just see what actually these services are. In our future videos we will learn in detail how these services actually works and what are their importance. So first of all, we will start with the domain service. Domain service provides login authentication service between users and domains. Okay, it also helps in managing data. So how it provides login authentication services? Suppose you are using a client server model in your organization. So in your client, a user tries to log in to your server. Okay, so when a user tries to log in into your server, then server will look into Active Directory for the login information. If he founds the login informations like email ID and passwords in its directory, then it will allow the client to log in into the server. Okay, and it will also restrict based on its login details what resources he can use and what resources are restricted for them. Okay, so it is the basic feature of domain service. The next service that Active Directory provides is certificate service. So Active Directory creates and manages the certificates, and these certificates are used to share the information in encrypted, or you can say secured way. Okay, so the encryption that is used while sharing the information is done with the help of public key. Okay, so this is all about certificate service. And the next is lightweight directory service. So lightweight directory service, you can say it is a directory access protocol that provides the support for directory enabled application. Okay, you can say it has approximately same features as ADDS has, but lightweight directory service does not require deployment of domains and domain controllers as ADDS requires. Don't worry if you are not getting this at this time. In our future videos we will discuss these things in details. So next service provided by ADDS is Directory Federation Service. So it provides a single sign-on authentication for different applications in the same session. Okay, we can manage different sessions using the single login. Okay, so next is rights management. The service controls the information rights and data access. It determines whether you can access a particular folder or not. Also, it encrypts the data to limit the access, so that if someone is able to see, he won't be able to read those informations. So the last topic in this video is, why do we need Active Directory? So we need Active Directory to create a manageable environment in our organization. Okay. Also, we need Active Directory to secure and manage our environment. Okay. We also need Active Directory to manage our permissions for each and every users by creating groups. Okay. So this is all about the basics of Active Directory. In our next videos, we will practically learn how the Active Directory actually works. Okay. Thank you.